This video will introduce how to operate CURA and perform slicing. First, go to the top left menu, click File, then select Open File. Choose the corresponding material type and nozzle diameter, then open the .3 MF file. Select Open as Project. Next, click Open File again and select the model you want to print. After clicking the model, you can move, scale, rotate, and flatten it using the function panel on the left side. You can also adjust its position and orientation as needed. Next, open the printing settings panel on the top right and switch to Custom Mode. Modify parameters such as printing speed, material flow, and infill density. In general, the default settings are suitable for testing, but if needed, you can consult an engineer for the most optimal configuration. Afterward, click Slice. Once the slicing is complete, the system will display the estimated printing time and material consumption, including both silicone and support material. At the same time, you can switch to the Preview tab to check the actual travel path. Make sure all settings are correct and save the G-code file. We recommend naming the G-code file based on the printer type, silicone type, nozzle diameter, printing speed, infill density, and model name. This will make it easier to identify and manage your files. Later, open Manufacture to convert the G-code file. Switch to the Advanced tab and check the corresponding printing box. Click Load CURA G-code and select the file we just saved. Then, click Export G-code and add a note to the file name to distinguish it from the original file.